Hello and Assalamualaikum. I'm here today to talk about our PBL assignment regarding arithmetic and geometric series. Without further ado, let's begin. So, what you need to know about sequence is it is a list of numbers ordered in a particular pattern. Each number in the sequence is called as a term. For example, 2, 4, 6, 7, 8 is a sequence. At the end of each sequence, there will be 3 dots, which means the pattern will continue further. Based on the example that I gave you just now, 2 is the first term, 4 is the second term, 6 is the third term, and so on. Each sequence may have their own common differentiation, and the sequence will continue with its own common difference. If the sequence have an ending, it is called as finite sequence. Otherwise, it is infinite sequence. There are 2 types of sequences that you need to know. The first one is arithmetic sequence, and the second one is geometric sequence. So now that you know about sequence, let me tell you about series. Series is defined as the summation of sequence where the order of the elements doesn't matter. Which means series is a list of numbers with the sign of addition in between. For example, 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8. It can also be 8 plus 7 plus 6 plus 2 plus 4 because again, the order of the elements doesn't matter. So, the series can be classified into 2, infinite and finite series, depending on its sequence. Just like sequence, series is also divided into 2 types. The first one is arithmetic series and the second one is geometric series.
I'm gonna explain you guys about the Fila table. For the part A question 3, the problem background is a doctor told his patient to start jogging and he recommends the patient in the first week to exercise for 15 minutes. He advises the patient every week afterwards to increase the jogging time by 7 minutes. How many weeks is it going to be before the patient jogs up to 64 minutes? The fact is, a doctor told his patient to start jogging. Second, start with 50 minutes, and the third is increase the jogging time by 7 minutes each week. So the idea from the fact is start with 50 minutes, then increase 7 minutes each week. Second, add 7 minutes each week until it reach 64 minutes. And the third, we use the arithmetic series formula to solve this question. Learning issue is how to find out the amount of weeks taken to reach 64 minutes a day. And the second is, will we get approximately 64 minutes a day? So, to solve this question, we use the resources such as internet, article, calculator, and arithmetic formula. For the part B question 3, the problem background is Melissa walked 20% more than the distance she covered the day before on the hiking tower. On the first day, Melissa walked 5 kilometers. How many days did she go on hiking trip if she covered nearly 27 kilometers in total? From the problem background, we know that the fact is Melissa at 20% more than her previous distance. And the second is Melissa walked for 5 kilometers. So the idea from the facts is take 20% from Melissa's previous distance and add it to her previous distance to create a new distance. Then repeat the first idea until it reached 27 kilometers. So we use the geometric series formula to solve this question. The learning issues from this problem is how to find out the amount of days taken to reach 27 kilometers in total. And will it be exactly 27 kilometers in total? So to solve this problem, we use the resources such as internet, article, calculator, and geometric formula.
For the question 3 part A, we need to solve it using arithmetic series formula. The first term, A, will be 15 minutes. Next, as the doctor suggests the patient to increase the jogging time by 7 minutes every week afterwards, 7 will be the common difference, D, for this question. After that, we just need to put all of this value in the formula and solve it. And after we solve it, we will know that the patient will jog until week 8 to reach 64 minutes per day.
Okay, I will show you how to get the answer for question 3 part A. So we already have the formula for the question, and then we have A equal to 15 and B equal to 7. So we just need to fill it in the formula to get the answer. So xn equal to 15 plus 7 and
A few moments later.
Okay, so we already know that the patient will jog 64 minutes per day, and then we just put it. The answer is n equal to 8. Okay, so that's the answer for the question 3 part A.
For the question 3 part B, we need to know how many days did Elisa walk for 27 kilometers if she started with 5 kilometers for the first day and then she increased 20% more than her previous distance every day. For this question, we need to solve it using sum of the geometric series formula. 5 kilometers will be the first term A, and we need to calculate for the comma ratio, and the answer will be 1.2. Next, as usual, we just need to put all of these values in the formula and solve for n. Then, the final answer for this question will be 4 days.
Okay, for the question 3 part B, we already have the formula to answer the question. But first we need to find the value for R, which is 120 divided by 100. We will get 1.2, and then we just need to fill it in the formula to get to solve it, and then we get 2.08 equal to 1.2 to the power of n, and then we can use log. We will get the answer is n equal to 4.0169, but we just use the nearest, which is n equal to 4.
As a conclusion, we use a lot of arithmetic and geometric progression in our daily life. So I think it is important for us to learn it so that we can solve many problems easily. That's all from us. Thank you.